Ever wonder how Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and a few more mind-blowing companies, keeps turning crazy ideas into billion-dollar realities? Well, today, we're breaking it down step by step. Whether you're dreaming about starting a small business or launching the next big thing, this video is for you. Segment 1. The vision. Why start a company? Elon Musk isn't just about making money, he's about solving big problems. For Tesla, it was clean energy. For SpaceX, it's making humanity multiplanetary. Step 1. Define your vision. Ask yourself, what's the problem you want to solve? Why does it matter? It doesn't have to be as world-changing as colonizing Mars. Maybe you want to create a sustainable fashion line or build an app to make life easier. Start by solving a problem you're deeply about. Segment 2. Build relentlessly. Turning ideas into reality. Elon Musk doesn't just dream, he builds. He's known for working insanely long hours and getting hands-on with his projects. Step 2. Execute like your life depends on it. You don't need a huge team or millions of dollars to start. Begin with an MVP, your minimum viable product. Test, fail, learn, repeat. Musk himself says, failure is an option. If you're not failing, you're not innovating. Segment 3. Assemble the team. Nobody builds a company alone, not even Elon. He surrounds himself with the best minds who share his vision. Step 3. Build your dream team. Your team should complement your strengths and cover your weaknesses. Remember, culture is king. Hire people who believe in your mission and are as driven as you are. Segment 4. Funding. The fuel for your fire. Money isn't everything, but it sure helps. Elon Musk risked nearly all his fortune to fund Tesla and SpaceX. Step 4. Secure funding smartly. You don't need millions to start. You can bootstrap, crowdfund, or find investors who believe in your idea. The key is to align your funding strategy with your vision. Segment 5. Iterate and adapt. The Elon way. Even Elon Musk's first electric car wasn't perfect. The key is iteration. Step 5. Adapt, innovate, and never stop improving. Feedback is a gift. Whether it's from customers, investors, or your team, use it to refine your product and stay ahead of the curve. So, are you ready to take the plunge and build the company of your dreams? Remember, start with a bold vision, work relentlessly, and surround yourself with people who believe in your mission. If Elon Musk can dream up Mars colonies and self-driving cars, you can absolutely tackle your big idea too. So, what's stopping you? Hit that like button if this video inspired you, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, tips, and motivational content. Let's build something incredible together.